In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your website traffic on Godaddy. Monitoring your website traffic is crucial for understanding the reach of your site and identifying opportunities for improvement. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just starting with your online presence, knowing how to access and interpret this data can transform your digital strategy. Godaddy, being one of the leading web hosting and domain registration platforms, offers a user-friendly interface to access these insights. Let's walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll need to access your Godaddy account. To do this, navigate to the Godaddy homepage on your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will open a new page or a pop-up window, prompting you to enter your credentials. Now it's time to log in. Type in your username and password in the appropriate fields. Remember, your username might be an email address or a customer number, depending on how you set up your account. If you're having trouble recalling your password, don't worry. Godaddy provides an easy password reset process you can follow. Just look for the Forgot Password link near the Sign In button. Once you've entered your credentials, proceed to click on the Sign In button. Be patient. It might take a moment for the next page to load, especially if you're on a slower internet connection. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Godaddy account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, providing quick access to various features and services related to your Godaddy account. However, for our specific goal today, we're interested in the website traffic details. To find the website traffic information, you'll need to go to your website's specific dashboard within Godaddy. If you have multiple sites hosted with Godaddy, ensure you're navigating to the correct one. Look for a section or a button labeled Dashboard. This is usually visible with an icon resembling a speedometer or a dashboard, indicative of performance metrics. Once you're in your website's dashboard, look for the Site Visitors option. This might vary slightly in wording or location, depending on any updates to Godaddy's interface or the specific services you're using with them, but it typically stands out within the performance metrics or analytics sections. By clicking on Site Visitors, you'll open a page or a dashboard pane that gives you an overview of your website's traffic. Here you can see various statistics, such as the number of visits your site has received over a specific period, the source of this traffic, and perhaps even the geographic locations of your visitors. Understanding these metrics can be very enlightening. For instance, if you notice a spike in visitors after posting a particular type of content or running a specific marketing campaign, it can tell you a lot about your audience's preferences. Additionally, analyzing the source of your traffic helps you understand whether your SEO efforts are paying off or if your social media strategy needs tweaking. Additional tips for making the most out of this data include setting up regular check-ins to monitor your traffic trends over time and considering integrating Godaddy's insights with other analytics tools for a more in-depth analysis. In conclusion, accessing and analyzing your website traffic through Godaddy is straightforward. From signing into your account to navigating through your dashboard to find the site visitors data, the process is designed to be user-friendly. Remember, keeping an eye on these metrics is essential for understanding the performance of your online presence and making data-driven decisions to grow and engage your audience. That's it for today's tutorial on how to check your website traffic on Godaddy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy analyzing!